human dinaluhan ng mga celebrities sa pagbabalik ng TV Patrol Weekend.
Last battles of the season. Bugsagaling ang teams.
Needs a lot of work, but relax ka lang.
They took it and they owned it.
Isa sila sa mga grupo ng halos buo na.
Sino ang makakakuha ng last steal? At sino-sino ang kukumpleto sa top 8 ng bawat team?
Totally different performance.
I want your dreams to come true.
Sobra akong proud sa inyo.
For the next
My
round,
choice.
I see.
The Voice Teens. Sabado, 7:15 p.m.
Moment sa buhay mo na ginulat mo ang mga walang bilib sa iyo.
Yung mga walang bilib sa akin, inipon-ipon ko tapos ginulat ko. Ay ko, gulat ka!
Please welcome Aramina!
Magandang gabi.
Parang mas pumanot ka ngayon.
Let's see the secret songers. Trivia, alam niyo ba si Lassie ay napakagaling din sa basket.
Talaga?
Sintonado.
I can see your voice.
Galit-galit? O galit sa mabahong damit? Detergent lang? Kulang. Kahit pambahay, deserve ang Downy. Sa bango ng all-day fresh pambahay. Sarap katabi ng may Downy!
Enter the Caraverse from Cream Silk, where the power of 3 times the keratin gives you ultimately straight, ultimately shiny, and ultimately beautiful hair.
Triple Keratin Rescue from Cream Silk.
Hand washing is a first line of defense against germs. Pero hindi lahat ng sabon pareho. Hand washing with Safeguard helps provide long-lasting protection against germs. Wash hands properly. Stay safe. Safeguard.
Uy, pansit! May hipon ba?
Hap-hap! Mahal ang hipon ngayon, ha?
Okay lang, ma. May Nor Shrimp Cubes tayo. Huling-huli ang sarap ng hipon at spices.
Shrimp sarap!
Ma, nakamovie na ako.
Paano ulit maglinis ng banyo?
Anak, Domex dapat. Dahil sa Take Formula, mas magaling itong magtanggal ng stains at germs.
Thank you, Ma. Linis na.
Proud of you, anak. Domex. Unstoppable.
How do you get the straight and silky hair you love?
I blow dry it. I rebond it.
Not afraid of damage?
What damage?
Dove Straight and Silky with Keratin Tri-Silk Serum. Deeply repairs hair bonds for extra straight, extra smooth, extra shiny hair. Dove.
Ma, sabi ni Doc, ito bigay for fever. Biogesic for kids. Wow, buhos agad, inom agad. Doctor prescribed Biogesic for kids. May new fruity melon flavor. Mas pinagaling, magpagaling.
Feel good. Balik-agad ang kulit. I feel good.
Di baling makulit, basta wala nang sakit. Buhos agad, inom agad. Salamat kay Doc at sa Biogesic for kids. Mas pinagaling, magpagaling.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Uy, basahan!
Lo, pang-contest ko yan mamaya. Pag instant kailangan, may wais na paraan. New Surf. Instant white, instant bango. Mula babad, bango agad, puti agad. Kaya makapagsabayan. Galing ng mamahalin Surf.
Good day for a date. Bad day for kate. Baka dandruff yan. Mag Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Tama na. Tama na yung sobrang tapang at sobrang sweet. Mag-Great Taste White. Sa tapang, tama. Sa tamis at creaminess, tama at tama. Dito ka na sa tama ang timpla. Great Taste White.
Buhag haggard araw-araw? Try new Cream Silk Vitamin Boost 2-Wash Pad. With 10 times more vitamins and argan oil for up to 10 times straighter hair. Doble-doble ang ganda ng buhok para blow-dry levels araw-araw with new Cream Silk 2-Wash Pack.
Kapamilya,
Beat the heat sa isang Summer Saya experience at serbisyo publiko na hatid ng ABS-CBN Integrated News. Tara na sa Grand Kapamilya Summer Fair sa Quezon Memorial Circle ngayong April 27, 9 a.m. May livelihood seminars, libreng medical consultations, celebrity performances at marami pang iba. The ABS-CBN News Quezon City Grand Kapamilya Summer Fair.
Sa ikalimang sunod na araw at kahit weekend pa, may yellow alert pa rin